Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. What up, what up, what up? How we all doing today? Chat going. What's up, Jonathan? What's up, Isaac? What's up, Curry? What's up, Beyond Limits? What up, what up, what up? What's up, Jack? What's up, champions? We're back in action. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, what up, what up? Jonathan, congratulations, man. Yeah, you should be feeling excited, man. I have old payout videos on my channel. You can just search up on my channel like MyFundedFutures payout withdrawal process. They'll be on there. What up, what up, what up? Jonathan, nice, yeah. So yeah, anything above $4,500 on the 150K pro account, you can withdraw. That's a big account, Jonathan. Good job, congratulations. But Jonathan, remember you do need to trade once a week. So there's a 1 week inactivity rule. So you have to trade once a week every week. So just be wary about that. You should have ACH. You can do ACH. That's what I did. They updated it, so you can do Rise or ACH. I'm pretty sure. Yes, sir. Champions, we're back. We have slight direction, not a whole lot. I feel like we're bullish at the moment. Last week and yesterday we didn't get a lot of movement outside of market open, just like a range, just like a little up down, up down. Right now we just got a little direction. I feel like we're bullish right now, so I feel like I'll look for longs at the moment. Jonathan, just take your normal trade. Yeah, don't micro scalp. Just take a normal trade. If you trade this week, so you could trade just next week, and then depending on when 14 days is. 14 days from your first trade on your funded account. So if you took your first trade today, 14 calendar days from now. But yep. Nice job, man. Let's go. Yeah. I love those pro accounts. You can get pretty big payouts with them. Yeah, hopefully they do something, because yesterday the guy said if you hit 100K in sim payout caps and then you blow your live account, they might have a program back within 30 days. Shit. If it's a decent, we'll see how the program is. Because if it's pretty good and reasonably priced, I'll check it out. No problem, Jonathan. Congratulations. Yeah, I gotta get back with them. But we got these 5 Lucid funded 25Ks. We got 1 winning day. So we need 4 more winning days and a profit balance, and then we can withdraw. Jonathan, yeah. And I pulled like 20K from the live accounts, like 10K each. I think I pulled around 120 from them. Around, give or take. Yeah, they're definitely one of my favorites. I'm just saying, like, it just sucks that I can't trade with them anymore. At the moment, we'll see. Alright, where are we going, everyone? Up, down, or catfish? Kitty cat, yeah! Alright. Be honest, that's a freaking steal. Yeah, $19. That's hella cheap. Ron, Jonathan, God bless. That's hella cheap. $19. No, that's a steal. People were complaining yesterday in the chat, like, oh, $19. Oh. But then they spend like $70, $100 on other prop firm accounts. I'm like, I don't get it. That's the cheapest shit you'll ever see. Even if it's a one-time use, who cares? It's $20. That's hella cheap. If they had like an $80, $100 activation fee, then yeah, but they don't. It's no activation fee. $20. $19, guys. That's 1 hour of minimum wage work. That's it. That's literally like a sandwich and chips. that you could potentially turn into like $500,000 payouts. It's crazy. Dude, that's an insane ROI. We got the Mucho Grande mason jar right here. I would like to see it like come back down to this like 25 to 58, 60 area around here. Maybe we could look for a long. I feel like it's kind of forming a top range right here. I would consider. And overall trending, I would think is bullish. So I'd rather look for a long rather than short the tops. That's what I'm kind of thinking right now. I want to see how it reacts around here. If it comes back. We have a new 15 minute and 30 seconds. A lot of stocks, pretty much all of them are green. Except for Microsoft, it's down 1%, but everything else is green. Tesla's up 3%, SpaceX is up 6%. Nvidia's up 1.2. Not bad, not bad. %50 voted down. Damn, 50% voted down. You guys are bearish? Only 17% up? I'm bullish right now. And 30% catfish. Gotta love the catfish. Oh, yeah. Freaking catfish. Dude, it's literally a fish with whiskers. That's some wild ass nature shit. I'm actually kind of surprised you guys are 50% down. We got more catfish. Damn. ES is ripping up. Guys, there will be no stream all of next week, unfortunately. Just an FYI, no stream the whole week next week, unfortunately. I'm gonna stream till Friday. Friday I'll probably start early and leave early. But yeah, next week I'm gonna go on a little vacation with the girlfriend and family. Yeah, need a vacation. Yeah, summertime, yeah. But I'll try to schedule some videos out for you guys, so I'm still like, I'll post like some main videos or something. But then the streams will return back to normal August. Who knows? I might stream more. Brandy, hold longs, go longs. Yeah, I'm also gonna take a break out the charts too. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade at all. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna take a break, relax, reset, refocus. Cause even when I took that break, like 2 months ago or something, I still traded a little bit, but not as much as I did. And that wasn't really a true break. So I didn't really ever take a true break. Even like when I didn't stream for the other week or like 3 weeks ago because of my grandpa, I still traded like 3 days out the week. Hey, thank you, Isaac. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately no stream, but hey. We'll be back as scheduled. starting August, yeah. But I'm gonna finish this week strong for you guys. Just an FYI to give you guys a heads up. Orlando, you just gotta adjust and adapt, and then on a losing streak, just size down and really understand what you're doing wrong, man. It sucks, but all traders go through losing streaks. I've been on numerous losing streaks this year. Just gotta bounce back and adjust. Really dig down like what's going on. Trader Bob, I went fishing like 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. Last month, I went to Lake Berryessa, and it was a slow day, and me and my buddy caught 35 bass, and it was a slow ass day too. Like there was like a couple times where like 2 hours no fish, no bites, and that was like a slow day, and it was crazy. And we caught some good fish too, like 3.5, 4 pounders. How about you, Bob? I haven't seen you in a while. How you been? You fishing the Delta lately? Doing all right, Kari. Doing all right. How you been, Kari? I haven't seen you in a while as well. Shit. Orlando, nice. One micro, man. You can do it. Yeah, one micro is also like great practice too, really. And it's a lot less stressful because like 10 points is only $20. Even though like the smallest account, 25K account, you know, you can stomach some losses. So nice, man. Good job, Orlando. Kari, I stopped using it. It was okay. I did it for a little bit, but I really got to dig down and really learn it if I want to get good at it. But I've been doing okay without it, so we'll see. Yeah, I gotta really dig down on it. And I was like, I haven't been like studying like that crazy with the order flow, and it was like $80 or $70 a month with TradingView Premium. So I was like, nah. Rapid churn and burn. Damn, Kari. Was that like break even, or you're like a slight loss? Even though you got $2,000 in payouts, 25K accounts, you low-key should be in a little profit, even if you blew that many, actually. Because like the 25Ks are what, like $100, $90? So you might be break even. Shit, slight profit. Imagine burning 20 accounts, but you're still like slightly profit. That's crazy. Yeah, that's the thing with prop firms. Yeah, you could have a couple winners. Yeah. Nice, Bob. Yeah, the Lake Berryessa has been a fire lately. I love that lake. I only been there twice, and they've been this year, and it was hella fun. The first time we caught 45 bass, and I caught like a 6.25 pound bass on a drop shot. It was crazy. Yeah, Bob. We're all struggling too. I'm on a little bit of losing streak as well, since May. Yeah, I was losing streak May, June. This month, meh. I'm kind of slowing down a little bit. Because I noticed when I push hard, like before vacations, I did that in 2024 and 2025 last year. When I try to get like a go hard, like before vacation, it backfired a lot. And I ended up losing more. Because I went like, oh, we got to pay for the vacation, this, that, or something. So I learned to like take it slow before vacation. And then we can go back harder after. Once you reset, refocus. Trader Bob, yeah, I'm trying to get those double-digit bass next week, man. I'm going, yeah, it'll be sick. Hey, Trader Bob, you know Working Class Zero? Working Class Zero? Hey, I'm trying to get into the swim baits too, man. Look at that. Dude, I got a Tyrant on the way too, Tyrant 8. And then a Citizen 7. Yes, sir. I love the drop shot. Drop shot's freaking crazy. I catch hella fish on it, and also like big ones too. Like I caught a lot of 4 or 5 pounders on him. Just drop shot. Kari, yeah, $81 a pop. Yeah, Working Class Zero. The only thing I hate about them is so expensive and they sell out. That's the only thing. Other than that, they're banging. I have yet to use it though. But I've been watching a lot of swim bait videos. Yeah, I'm trying to catch a double digit, Bob. Yeah, I'm trying to mount that. Imagine catching a double digit trophy sized bass, then having it mount on your wall. I let the fish go, but you take pictures, measure it, weigh it, and then you can get a replica of it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Kari, what's the micro scalping rule on them? I didn't know they had a micro scalping rule. ES is going up. NQ's making new highs. Yeah, I still like longs. I was looking for an entry down here again, but we definitely did not come back down there. Kari, probably just trade smaller, man. Trade smaller or hold your trades a little, like 11, 12 seconds, you know? I know Tradeify has the one like that, micro scalping. Like 50% of your overall profits cannot be micro scalping. Yeah, we're just kind of slowly grinding up right now. I still like longs. Bulls in the chat. Bulls in the chat. That's why I'm surprised. Oh, now we're even. 27% up, 20% down. 47% catfish. Okay, guys. Last week we were running up some puffer fish. We got some catfish on deck today. Kari, yeah, Friday was pretty volatile, yeah. They didn't look like big candles, but they're pretty big candles, yeah. Friday was pretty volatile. Yeah, we caught a 70-point trade with two micros. Not bad. One and done. One and done. Catfish. Some bottom feeders. Some bottom feeders. I haven't had catfish in a while, but it tasted pretty good, like fried up. Yeah, it tasted not bad. Damn, Bob. Bob, on a 28,000 profit on which account? Jamal, what up? I'm not sure they're bony. I'm not sure, actually. I think it depends on how you fillet and cook it. I haven't caught a catfish in years. I've been just bass fishing. And most of my lakes don't have catfish. Lake Berryessa, I know, has big catfish. I want to go camping there. Lake Berryessa is freaking huge. But that lake, you need a boat or kayak or something. Low day inbound. 50k flex, Bob. Hey, you can bounce back, Bob. Trader Bob, like fishing, man. Patience. Patience. Patience pays. Patience pays. Dom Blends, yeah. New day, new money. Let's get it. God bless. One day at a time. Let's go. Glad to see you back, Dom. Oh, Kari, and you can get like order flow and stuff like that on there. Trader Bob, yeah, you get 2k in drawdown, 50k accounts. We're trying out the 25k accounts this time. We'll see how it happens. Brandy, yeah, they updated their thing, so it's like automated approvals for Tradovate accounts. That's fucking crazy. And they updated the dashboard now like 2-3 hours sooner. Because before they would update for me, like I think after 5 p.m. PST, I think. Something like that. 5, 6 o'clock. Hey, TakeProfitTrader's coming up. But that's what I'm saying. If TakeProfitTrader's already top firm, they're like honestly probably my favorite right now. Just because you can keep trading with them, daily payouts, 5 accounts. The only thing is that trailing drawdown and 5 days to pass. That's the only things. But with the good comes the bad. That's what I'm saying. If they lower to 5 days to like 2 or 3 days, oh, that'd be freaking crazy. That is a dub, Dom. Yeah, that's definitely a lot of willpower, man. Discipline. Yeah, cash is a position, 100%. Nice, Kari. Yeah, Bob. Yeah, that's what I was doing with some challenges. I was like literally getting to halfway, back to break even, halfway break even, like stuff like that. It was so annoying. Dom, I'm not sure about Pro Plus because of our live accounts. I'm not sure about that. So it might be different. I would ask to support, but I know they're with the Pro accounts on Tradovate. Exactly, Bob. That's what I like about them. It's crazy, yeah. I think they're definitely top 3, 100% in my opinion. They're great, yeah. Daily payouts, 5 accounts. They've been around for 3-4 years now. Brandy, so it should be done by same thing in the morning, maybe sooner now. I haven't got a payout yet, so we'll see. I'm gonna test it out for sure. I want to see how fast I get in my bank. Because before it was already quick, but since it's automated approvals now, it takes it out, and then you could trade it right away. So, like before, if you traded Asia Stash and you requested your payout at night, you couldn't trade Asia Stash. So if you guys like trade Asia Stash, you can request your payout from New York or Asia from the previous night and then trade it again. That's pretty nice. Just make sure the funds are taken out of the account before you trade it. Yeah, Bob, a lot of people taking some big payouts on the live account, yeah. I mean, Lanto took out, what, over $1 million? That's fucking crazy. Even though he took like over I think $1.5 million in payouts with him, but I think this is what I think. I'm not sure if it's all true stuff. He spent around 300 grand. I mean, people are complaining, but I mean, you gotta think about it, that's a great ROI. I mean, I'd have gladly spent 300 grand to make $1.5 million. I mean, you're profiting over $1 million. I mean, are we really complaining? Like 300 grand, that's a good ROI. That's a 5x. It's not bad. If I spent 20 grand on propfirms and I got 100 grand in profit, I'd be happy. That's a good ROI. That's a really good ROI. I'll take that any day. Nice, Kari. Yeah, nice 1-2s. Dom, they should. Yeah, they should. Well, with the old payout system, before the automated approvals, TakeProfitTrader, I get the payouts, in my bank account next morning. So I request it at night, and then by the morning, it's in my wallet. Sometimes they approved it in the middle of the night in my wallet. And then, yeah, next morning, it's already in my bank, pretty much. Yeah, one day, Bob. One day. We just gotta scale, bro. We just gotta scale. I mean, that's the thing. You can have 5 live accounts with them. And I'm pretty sure you had 150K accounts. So it's like, if you have 5 live accounts with $4,500 drawdown, and you scale it up, yeah, and you're taking daily payouts and 5, that's a lot. Bob, that's what I'm saying. That's a great ROI. Yeah, imagine yeah, with the shoe business, I would try to get minimum 20% ROI. So if I spend $100, I would like to minimum make $20. But I would try to get 30, 40, 50%. But some shoes, the cheaper shoes, I'll get 100% ROI, 50, 60. But yeah, minimum I try to get 20%. Especially when you got bricks. I like to call it bricks. Where you buy them really cheap and then you sell them really quick. And you're making $10, $20 profit a shoe. But then you're selling 20, 50 pairs of shoes. That shit adds up. Yeah, I'd gladly spend 300 grand to make a $1.5 million shit. Kari, I can't trade with them anymore. Once you hit the 100K cap and you blow your live account, you can't trade with them. But apparently there might be something coming out for us within 30 days. Hopefully Matthew Leach comes in clutch. What up, Eddie? Shama. Shama. Dude, it sucks being the gulag, man. It sucks. It sucks, man. I hate the gulag. It's dark. It's cold. You're trying to get your way out. No food, no water. You gotta get your way out, man. One day at a time. Let's see, Dom. Yeah, hopefully you get it like really quick. Yeah, I want to see how fast the Pro Plus accounts are. If they're like automated too. Dom, so when you request on the live account, is it like same thing? Like it goes in your bank account next morning? I haven't got to Pro Plus yet on TakeProfitTrader. Trader Bob, yeah. Instead, if we just traded a small size and brought in consistent daily payout profits, we'd be off in a way better place. Because you're also not buying accounts, and if you're still taking payouts, even though they're small, you know there should be pure profit eventually if you just keep consistently doing that. Trail now. Profit, yeah, we're in the gulag, brother. We're in the gulag. It sucks, but we gotta bounce back, man. We gotta bounce back. Sauce, that's if you didn't hit the 100K live. If you didn't hit the 100K in sim payouts. If you hit $100,000 in sim payouts like I did, you can't trade with them anymore. But let's say you got 20 grand in sim payouts and then you blow your live account, you just wait 21 days and then you can trade with them again. So, yeah. Yeah, Cart. I thought it rebranded it. I thought it was like 100 grand again. So that's why I was trying to go for a big payout. But I was like, I'll just take it like, like 15, 20 grand payout on my last pro accounts. But then I got the email the same night, like 2-3 hours later, like, oh, we're giving you a 5 grand payout because I hit the cap, and we're moving the rest to live. I thought they reset, bro. Damn. I was like, fuck. Thank you, Dom. God bless. Hopefully it's quick, man. And great job on getting into Pro Plus. Not a lot of people get to live account, man. That's a big accomplishment. Trail, yeah, it's $100,000 lifetime in payouts. So if you blew 5,000 accounts, but you just hit 100 grand in payouts, and you're still losing overall, you're still banned if you blow your live account. Eddie, yeah, probably contact support. Support's pretty quick too. Maybe a bank card issue or something. Jamal, if you're making more money trading crypto, bro, trade crypto. There's a lot of different trading and markets, man. Sauce, yeah, but apparently there's something coming out for people that hit the caps within 30 days. Apparently, we'll see. We'll officially say it is once they come out with it. It depends on what it is. Dude, if it's like a daily, like Lucid Max, I know that's like for the traders that blow their live account, they can get like Lucid Max. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know what the accounts are. Kari? That's super highly illegal, Kari. You can get yourself banned, brother. We're gonna get yourself banned, Kari. Get out of here. Dom, 3 red days in the whole month is crazy. That's a good job, man. Sauce, I don't know. I literally don't know. I literally found out about it yesterday. I don't get any insider information as being an affiliate. I don't talk to them or anything. I'm not like in a group chat like, hey, buddy, like, hey, Casinator, some new accounts are coming 2 weeks from now. Big changes. I literally found out about it yesterday. It's not even like a full announcement. It's just the owner that said it on the chat. Jamal, I mean, if you're having more fun trading that, man, I don't know. Try it out. I don't know. I don't trade crypto. Orlando, yeah, we're just kind of slowly grindy choppy up right now. Jamil, what up? We got Jamil, Jamal, and then we're missing Jamal now. We're just missing the third Jamal. Hey, we got this 2/3 of the Jamals right here. Let's go. Let's go, Jamil. Yeah, I don't know what Lucid Max is. I think it's daily payouts. I think. I don't know. I haven't got a payout yet with Lucid. Keyword yet. Yet. I don't know. Yeah, we're slowly grinding up. I still like longs, but kind of interesting to find an entry. We just gotta wait on a pullback, I guess. We could scalp like 20, 30 points. Trill, I always get like 50K. I always get like 50K or 150K, but like 90% of the time 50Ks. But recently I've been trying 25K accounts and they're not bad. Yeah, they're not bad. They're cheaper. Easier to pass. They are easier to blow because you get less drawdown, but trade smaller size. The survivors. The survivors. We're just missing Jamal now. It's just live account after eval. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know. Random broker? It's like an offshore Forex CFD broker from the Fiji Islands. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hey, man, what up? Glad to see you back. Doing good. How are you? Nice, Jamil. Great job, man. Back to back winning, man. Those are fun. Yeah, yeah, those are nice. Probably had like a lot of good food, dancing, good vibes, man. Cool. Beyond limits, these accounts I have to get to a profit and then I can request 50% up to $1,000 max. So these accounts are 5 winning days. Max pay on 25K accounts $1,000. The TakeProfitTrader on a 25K is anything above 2,500 or $1,500 I can withdraw daily. Hey, what's up, Cash? How you doing, brother? Trail, yeah, 25K accounts, they're actually not bad. A lot of people in here trade them. I always recommend 25 or 50K account, honestly. 150K accounts are nice. I only recommend them, honestly, if you're a more advanced trader and want to trade a bigger size or want bigger payouts. Because they're harder to pass, they're more expensive, harder to get to the buffer, but you get more drawdown. So I only recommend them if you trade bigger size or want bigger payouts and more advanced. But 25 or 50K accounts are, yeah, just stick with these. But yeah, $1,000 in drawdown is not a lot. It's really not. Jamal, today was better than yesterday, in my opinion. I noticed the last few Mondays have been dog crap for me. The last 3. Hey, man. Yeah, it sucks, man. But hey, you gotta bounce back, brother. If you did it before, you can do it again. 500 accounts is, yeah, that's pretty good, man. But hey, you can bounce back, Eamon. Not yet, Kari. Not yet. Beyond limits, yeah. Lucid Flex, they're 5 days, 5 winning days. There's no consistency rule in the funded, so if you have a banger winning day, it won't get against you on the flex. Orlando, yeah. Yeah, I like 50Ks. 25 or 50Ks probably best. Dom, yeah. They're just hard. Because $9,000, yeah. And you gotta get $4,500 in drawdown usually. It's just harder to get to profit, yeah. Drill? 20K payout? You want 20K payout? Start copy trading, brother. Yeah, start copy trading. Kari, I posted one last week. I got another one coming up. Trader Bob, yeah, they're stop hunting us. They're stop hunting us. Profit, they're okay. They're alright. I'll update you guys in the vlogs. Yeah, I don't want to keep spoiling it for you guys every day. We'll see, though. We'll see. They're doing okay. But these accounts are dedicated stream accounts. Dedicated. Bear mode. I still like longs. Fade the chat. Fade the chat. Kari? By how long? Orlando, yeah. Because you don't get a lot. The best drawdown is TakeProfitTrader for 25K accounts because you get $1,500. An extra $500 is a lot. Because like these, you only get $1,000 to work with, which is... I mean, if you're trading one mini, you're going to blow that. You could blow that one trade, 2 trades. Easy. Yeah, you definitely have to trade micros. Unless you're kind of like just going to go for it. What's up, you got me? How you been? Trail, yeah, the 150K wrapped accounts are nice, but the trailing drawdown, yeah. Trail, if you want a daily payouts and end of day accounts, go with Tradeify. Tradeify is good. Yes, sir, profit. Trail, yeah, 100 grand total, lifetime payouts. But Trail, think about the upside. You can get 40 more grand in payouts, and you can also get a big live account if you have like a good balance on your leftover account. So, and that live account, you get a big live account, daily payouts with it too. We at the hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. What's up, Dave? Trading out of Bangkok, Thailand. 7 business days is a long time, yeah. I don't know why they would be delayed because they're live accounts. They're not simulated payouts, so I don't know why they would be long. A sauce, yeah, I think you need minimum payout of rapid account is $500. So I think at 25 you need $1,600 balance. Yeah. It's doing okay, you got me. Also stuck in the gulag, man. Still struggling a little bit, but hey. We can bounce back. Blondes. Blondes. Who said blondes? No daily loss limit? All in? We all have a little degen inside of us, yes. I do. I have a little degen inside of me. He's got to stay away, though. Good luck, Bob. I mean, it depends, Trail. I mean, if you have 350K pro accounts, it depends on each account. So I would go on the FAQ Trail to get an exact number because I know each account is different. But I know if you have 350K pro accounts, you can move 10 grand live per account each. So you could have a $30,000 live account with them. PDG's on that. I know the pro accounts you could get bigger live accounts. Like mine was 20 grand. Yeah, it depends on the account and the size and everything. Slee, yeah, we're just grinding up right now. Well, the daily loss limit saves you, because the only time I don't like it, honestly, is in the challenge phase, because I hate the challenges and I want to get them done. But honestly, the daily loss limit does save you in the funded. I don't mind them in the funded, because if I go on batshit tilt, I don't want to lose it, right? And then it's like a soft breach, so I just gotta wait till the next day. But yeah, challenges, I don't like them. No. Yeah, 1600. You need $1,600 balance. The TakeProfitTrader is doing not bad, not bad. Yeah, not bad. You guys will see updates in the vlogs, man. You guys gotta be patient. These are my dedicated stream accounts, but hey, the TakeProfitTrader is not doing bad actually. I started them yesterday, Eddie. Profit, yeah, they're rapid. They're same thing as TakeProfitTrader. They're trailing drawdown and daily payouts. Same thing. Dave, especially in Thailand, bro. You know what? Everyone there is a lady with the lights off. Yeah. Good job, Dave. That's how you gotta think, yeah. Beyond limits, you want low of day, bro. Low of day? 28,700? Dude, we're 600 points away. Damn. 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 Trail, I mean, you can look at the rapid accounts. You can get moved to live with rapid accounts on them. Tommy, we got these funded on stream. Like I said, these are my dedicated stream accounts. Every trade will be taken on these live. Javier, I'm pretty sure. I'll look on their FAQ. I'm not sure if they move 5 grand to live. I don't know if they like make that, or I know with the like 25K account, you only start with like $1,500 end of day drawdown. I know that, but I'll look on their FAQ. Let's go, Farah. God bless. You're doing very good display on that, Farah. You think so? I mean, we have no news this week, so we had okay movement at the beginning, but right now it's just moving really slow. Yeah, we still haven't taken a trade. I was looking for a long down here, but it's getting higher and higher. We're just slowly making new highs. Farah, nice. That's a really good buffer for a 25K account, Farah. Because, yeah, you could just trade micros and stack good days. Good job, Farah. Yeah, yeah. And Farah, it's also nice, like, if ever shit hits the fan, it's nice knowing that you could take $2,500 per account. Amen, yeah, that'll move the market. Which one? Who's earnings this week? Earning Whisperer. What the hell? I'm on a ghetto website. This ain't it. Bro, where's that real calendar, bro? Yeah. Good luck, Dom. Good luck, man. 29,3296. That's a banger entry, Dom. You're up over 45 points. Yeah. We do have a new 5-minute in 2 minutes, and also a new hour in 7. Nice, Dom. 80 points. No, we always get clapped near the hourly. We always gotta wait for that close. Damn, Farah, good job, man. Good job. 6 funded. Hopefully they don't move you to live quick, Farah. That's the only problem, because those legacy accounts, the old ones were nice because you can get big payouts. Like on your 6th payout, you can get like 6-figure payouts. I mean, even if you don't, you can still get like 50, 60 grand payouts on 20 of the big accounts. But hopefully they actually, I don't know. I doubt it, in my opinion. Because they're moving people to live early, allegedly. So, with the new account, so. Who knows? Hopefully you get some payouts on that, Farah, though. Good job. That's a lot. That's 20 accounts right there. Make me bank, please. Please, NQ, please. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. New 5-minute. Yeah, I think at my peak, I had like 40 funded accounts, I think. I don't even know the exact number. I knew it was over 30 for sure. 40, 50 at my peak. Damn, that was crazy times. I got bounced back. New highs inbound, champions. New highs inbound. High of day breaking. Farah, what do you normally trade? But good bounce back, man. Dude, that would be very expensive to blow 20 accounts. Holy shit. Yeah, that's expensive. Dude, Netflix took a dog shit nosedive the last, like, 3 months. Damn. Dude, it was at $100 a share. 107 in April. Now it's at 67 a share. That's crazy. Oh, there you go, man. Yeah, fund your profits. That's how you do it. Well, with 1 or 2 micros on 5 accounts, you can easily stack $500 profit days total. 1 micro, 50 points. That's $100 per account. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. The real 5 cash ATMs. New hour in 2 minutes. Hey, what's that? What's that show? It's like freaking. Whenever there's like a bomb countdown, there's like 24 hours left or 1 hour. It's like dun 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 dun. What's that show called? It's like every time we get the new hourly coming up, we play that. Jamal, yeah, we're getting a massive dump. Less, yeah, 3 micros. 3 micros. That's good, Farah. Good job, man. Great job, Farah. Trail. I think they do on the end of day accounts. Yeah, on the end of day accounts they do. I'm not sure about the trailing. You have to check with them. Yeah, everybody promotes them. Yeah, 3 micros I think is fine today. I think 2 to 3 micros would be okay on these accounts. Because respectfully, I don't want to spend like a whole month on these, to be honest. If I could get a payout in like 2 weeks, I'd be happy. 2 weeks of good trading with micros. But over a month, it's a little long, in my opinion. But I'd rather keep them alive for a month and not blow accounts. So, I mean, we'll see. I mean, yeah, well, 2 to 3 micros for now. Short. Good luck beyond limits. I wish you the best. We got a new hourly open right here. Bibbin. Well, well, well. Look what the catfish dragged in. We ain't got no cat today. We got a goddamn catfish right here. Fish with whiskers. 40% catfish today. Look what the catfish dragged in. Yeah, straight from the bottom, Bibbin. Straight from the bottom. Yeah, I think it's just one of those days where it's just slowly grinding up. So I think we just gotta enter on pullback longs, honestly. Good job, Farah, man. You came a long way, Farah. You got a lot of discipline, man. Great job. Proud of you. Yeah, the profits do compound over time. Great job, Farah. Farah, what's your daily loss amount on your... Do you have a daily loss amount on your TakeProfitTrader accounts, Farah? Less? Yeah, I'm on West Coast. I'm on West Coast. PST. So it's like, what, 1 o'clock Eastern, I think? I don't know, guys. I still like longs, really. I still like longs. In my opinion, I don't see a reason to short at the moment. That's just me. But everybody has their own thing with trading. Yo, just flush it down. Flush it down. Kenji, it sucks, man. I hate losing funded account. I hate losing any account, but hey. Kenji, you got some nice payouts, though, right? So, Kenji, just back to the drawing board, man. We're back in the gulag. Just got to bounce back. If you did it before, you got payouts, you can do it again. You just got to have that mindset. Adapt and overcome. That's it. You can bounce back, Kenji. Yeah, less. Yeah, I mean, usually we see some chop, slowly grinding movement on lunchtime. 1K max loss. Nice, bro. Yeah, whatever works for you, works for you. Yeah, that's why I like trading. What works for me won't work for you, and what works for you won't work for me. That's why I love trading, and everyone has a different mindset. Yeah. Yeah, I noticed scalps, they're nice. Base hits for me have been stacking nice. I noticed some other good trader, he got a lot of payouts, and he's consistently getting payouts. I noticed with him, he trades a bigger size, but he only has like 10, 15 point stop losses, and like, and he tries to get like 10, 30 points, and he just cuts it and just locks it in. I noticed that's how he trades. But yeah, everyone's different. Yep. Kenji, just honestly, just try to keep that alive, that account alive as much as possible, Kenji. And yeah, just really try to have it for the long run, because if that one account is bringing in payouts, Kenji, you know that can buy your evals, it can buy you food. Just that one account, you can bring in like a couple $100. You know. But hey, as long as you got one alive, Kenji. Be careful, Bim. I'm gonna send a catfish on your ass. Yeah. He's hungry. It's a big catfish. Oh, yeah, 100%. I mean, yeah, I mean, especially on 5 accounts. I mean, that's a lot. $100. I mean, that's $500. I mean, a great paying job is like, $400 or $500 a day. Yeah. Alex, what up, brother? How you been? There you go, Kenji. Hey, it's like that one guy when he's like, so what are you gonna do if you? Damn, we're just making new highs. It's like, what are you gonna do if you win the lottery? And the guy has like a bunch of hookers and cocaine. Back to you, Tom. Yeah, honestly, like a 50-point trade, anything above 50 is like, that's a banger for me. I usually don't try to catch them. Most of my trades are like 20, 30 points, I would say. Trader Bob, that's actually cool. Yeah, I like that. No, that's what I'm saying. If you have like one profit, that's why I like daily payouts. You do like one good trade, you get a few $100 payouts, maybe a couple thousand, depending on how you trade. Then you work on other accounts. Will that prop firm accounts bringing money in? You know, treat it like a business. You always have money coming in. That's why I like daily payouts, because like, yeah, if I have a banger winning day on these, that's great. That's awesome. But then I gotta trade 3 more days for a payout, and then who knows? I could blow the account trying to farm winning days. It happened to me before numerous times. That's why I feel like it's good to have both. There you go, Bibbin. There you go. Thank you, man. God bless. Yeah, it's kind of hard to find an entry. It's just kind of ripping up. I think we just gotta enter on a pullback and just go for it. Tom was definitely in on it. Yeah, Tom was 100% in on it. Back to you, Tom. How come a lot of the newscaster guys are named Tom? I like Tom. One of my uncles is named Tom. He's hella cool. He's like a stoner dude. He's kind of like a hippie. Cool. He's hella chill. He's hella cool. And his name's Tom. He's got a mustache, everything. He's hella cool. Bibbin, yeah, the cat's right here. We got one literally right here, the girl. What's up, Louie? We got the big one right here. And then the little one's over there. They're all doing their own thing. They all like to chill, hang out. Alex, yeah, I tried training them yesterday. Oh shit! I just see the cattail on the freaking camera. Hey, look! Hey, why are you not moving it? I just saw it wacky on the corner. Dude, it looks kind of funny. Oh, shit. Dan, I would definitely recommend. Good job on getting the funded. I would recommend just scalping, man. I notice even when I trim and holding winners, it really backfires from the trailing drawdown. Just scalp, like just literally get in and out. Like 10, 20 point trades, just cut it. Even if it runs in your favor, who cares? Because you can always get a re-entry. That's what I found works best, Dan. But slow and steady wins the race. Beyond Limits, great guy. Yeah, cousin named Tom, great guy. Yeah, Toms are always usually chill, man. Tom. What up, Tom? We almost named this cat, the gray and white one, Tom, because Tom and Jerry. We almost named him Tom, but he didn't look like a Tom. We were gonna name him Tom, but I was like, he doesn't look like a Tom. He looks like a little menace. Alright, we gotta do 5-minute right here. Trader Bob, yeah. A lot of discipline, man. A lot of discipline. It really does. Dude, the cat's just straight mugging me right now. What up? This might be the pullback we're looking for, guys. We still have not took a trade yet on stream. Beyond Limits. Let's go. Yeah, don't till, man. Don't till. No till. No till. He's just standing there. Menacingly. Patrick Star. Hey, Bob, did you know Bob, B-O-B, still spelled backwards is still Bob? Did you know that, Bob? Yeah, the more you know. Yeah, Bitman, you can tell me something funny anytime. Damn, bro. It's kind of just hard. I'm just saying, I'm just looking for longs. It's just kind of hard finding an entry, to be honest. The Daily Rapper is in the chat. Bibbin, yeah. 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 Algie, no, these are not live. They're funded though.
Order filled.
All right, first trade. I'm gonna look for a long. I'm just gonna enter on a pullback long, honestly. Like it's just hard finding an entry, and I still just like longs, so we're just gonna enter on a little pullback. Nice bounce right there. We're instantly in profit actually. Who's there? Full port long? Hell no. Knock knock. Who's there? FBI's. Who's here? Alex, yeah, a little sniper action. Yeah, precise entry. Yeah. Ah. Wow, Bibbin. You got me. You got me. Hey, man, we bottom ticked that shit, yeah. We're instantly in profit. We do have a new 15-minute in a minute. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I just like longs. Nothing fancy, just entering on a pullback. Welcome to the long party. Good job, Bibbin. That was the best joke I heard all day, man. Who invited this guy? Who the hell is that guy, huh? Who invited this guy? How are you turning, Bob? Alright, new 5-minute, 15-minute here. Wow. 24 carats. That's crazy. Yeah, we got jokes today. All right. Yeah. I like these. Yeah. We need more jokes. Yeah, we need more jokes in the chat, guys. Good one. Good one. I mean, we're definitely not hitting all-time highs today, no. But maybe by end of August, who knows? I don't know. We could smack 31,000s again in a month. But definitely not today, but let's go. Good night, Dave. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Got a new 5-minute in 75 minutes. Yes, that is true. Yes. We do have a new 4-hour in 40 hours, guys. Yes. Oh, yes. All good beyond limits. Break even still not bad. Better than a loss. Dude, it stopped hunting the shit out of us yesterday, too. Bruh, he really put out the J word, Bibbin. Damn. Bro, his dad put out the J word. That's crazy. You guys hear that? I have never heard of that word. No. Fries in the bag. Fries in the bag. We do have a new day candle in 2 days, guys. Yes. Guys, be wary. We do have a new hourly candle in 1,000 hours. Be careful, guys. Yes. Yeah, I'm long. We're super long right now. Can't make up his mind. We can't change the parent's mind, yeah. I can't believe he just used the J word. Oh man, the J word is crazy. Okay, finally, we finally hit 10 points, finally. We're gonna lower our stop loss to 9 points. It was the cat. Cat attack, kitty cat, yeah. But, I mean, we could keep pushing the highs. But yesterday, that trade was so slow. We were in it for almost 15 minutes, and it was just not really moving. Like, with a trailing drawdown account, you get wrecked during that. Because if it goes up and down, your trailing will screw you. But thank goodness these aren't trailing. Yeah, sometimes when I got the daily payout profits, I'm like, all right, okay, so we gotta do good today. We gotta get more fishing lures. Hey, yeah, if we profit and we're at the buffer, hey, we can buy some new lures. Yeah, yeah, $20, $30. Yeah, freaking cats. Hook them longhorns. These are funded, yes. Yeah, that's not a good candle. Hell no. Yeah. That's all I'm saying. We gotta do 5 minutes in 3 seconds. Yeah, but at our peak, we're only up 10 points. I would realistically never sell there. Cushion for the push, and I like that. Yeah. I like that, Alex. Yeah. Yeah. What the hell are we doing? Wow. Wow. Hey, thanks, Bibbin. Thanks, man. Push, push, push. We need that momentum spike, yeah. Profit, you should learn, man. It's fun. It's a cool hobby. Yeah. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there. You can get a cheap rod setup.
Stop filled.
Small loss, like 9 points. Nothing crazy. At our peak, we're up 10 points, but there's just so much hesitation right here. We are making lower highs. I still like longs up here, honestly. We could just see a bounce long. We were instantly in profit, but like I said, I would realistically never sell at 10 points as a full TP right away, especially at the beginning of a trade. But we were instantly in profit on that trade, but hey, it's all good. But yeah, you should learn how to fish, man. It's fun. Time off the charts. And it teaches you a lot about patience. Because you can go hours without a fish or a bite. Bruh, this might be another farming day. We'll see. Cloud9, the 50Ks are good. No, they're good. I'm just trying out the 25Ks for now because I got good payouts with the 25Ks. They're not bad, honestly. And they're cheaper. But I generally always go with the 50K, but we'll see how the 25Ks go. Because I had some 50K Lucid Flex accounts and I blew them, unfortunately. My fault, bad trading. But we'll see with these 25s. Jamal, yeah, start fishing, bro. Start fishing. A fish a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. As long as you have shelter, you catch a fish, you feed the family, yeah. Catch a fish, guys. Oh, yeah. Fishing Fridays, yeah. Dude, I caught a big ass bass. Mm-hmm. 48% are still voted up, only 17% down, and 36% catfish. Where do you guys think we're going? You think we're just gonna make a reversal now? We were making lower highs, but I don't know. Longs could still work. New 5 minute and 15 seconds. Jamal, 50% is crazy. Yeah, that's good. 50%. Because right now you can get 45% off with the bundle. I mean, that's still really good. Classic casinator stop beyond limits, yeah. Beyond limits, you should honestly make a montage of freaking all the times we got stop hunted. If we have no stop loss, we cannot get stopped out. But we can liquidate our account, and that's even worse. Who knows? Who knows? Too many for one clip. We're gonna need numerous montages, yeah. With the amount of times we got stopped out, yeah. Crazy work. Hey, it's gonna be like a highlight reel, and it's gonna be like part 10. Part 10. Brandy, yeah. We're kind of just slowly choppy right now. Not a lot of movement. Like, this candle's only 17 points. Where before it would be like over 50. But we definitely see better or bigger movement in the earlier morning. Because, like, these are big candles. Yeah, like this one's 55. But it should be expected. Lunchtime. The bigger moves usually happen. There was one time, I think earlier, a month or two ago, or 2 months, something like that, 3 months, where we got like massive moves in like after 11 a.m. PST, like 11 to 12 o'clock power hour. There's like big moves, but I don't think we've seen that in a while. I haven't traded power hour in a very long time. Yeah. All right, guys, we got a new 30-minute in 2 minutes. Hey, where the jokes at? We need a joke. Hey guys, I used to dislike facial hair. Remember, guys, I had a beard. I used to dislike facial hair, but it grew on me. Wow. Rich, what up, brother? Glad to see you back, man. Not bad. Okay. Trying to get out the gulag, brother. How you been, Rich? We gotta get out the gulag, man. Gulag. Wow, that was a pretty fire joke, yeah. Why did the bike fall? It was too tired. Get it, guys? Too tired? Get it? Oh man, we're on fire today. Thanks, Google AI. You're the best. Oh, these are bad. These are real bad. Damn, now we're getting volume on that 30-minute candle. Look at that. Classic bull flag right there, champions. Look at that. Wow. Damn, we just got stop hunted. I think I just moved it too early. I don't think I should be moving it too early like that. Damn. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see if it smokes a high of day right here. We're getting close. It's a good candle. High of day. High of day. Fuck. Amen, yeah. I think I just moved my stop way too early, to be honest. Yeah, way too early. We entered at 334. We entered right here. Damn. All good. Rich, nice, man. How is Spain? I really want to go to Spain. I want to go there this year, but probably next year. Spain, yeah. Yeah, Europe was really fun. I want to do that, but it's just expensive. Live day trading out of Barcelona, Spain. Yeah. we get maybe a pullback down to like 24, 25 area, maybe look for a long, maybe. Cloud9, yeah. Just be disciplined, man. Going into tomorrow. Envision it, man. Envision it. Nice, Rich. Nice. Portugal. That sounds sick, too. Good job, Rich. Glad to see you back. Nice vacation there. You think so, Beyond Limits? Aim in France. I went there last year, man. I went to France. It was really nice. I went to France and Italy. It was very fun, very nice. The food was very delicious. On our first night, I had a nice glass. It was pouring rain, and we were hungry, and we just got to the Airbnb, and we're like, damn, we're hungry. And then we found a restaurant nearby us. It was like 4 blocks, 3-4 blocks away. So we ran there because it was pouring rain. And then it was like a small, cozy restaurant with a fire, like a little fire going on in there. It was super nice and cozy and smelled great. And then had a glass of red wine. The wine was amazing. Then we had beef tartare. I had beef tartare. Then my girlfriend had like a chicken dish. It was freaking fire. It was really good. Everyone there was super nice. Yeah, I was skeptical about that Beyond Limits. Yeah, because it's literally raw beef, but it was freaking good. Beef tartare. It's literally raw ground beef, but it was fire. I think it's like a certain way you have to cook it, but it was really good. Even I was skeptical. I was like, should I eat raw beef on our first freaking night? I don't want to get the damn stomach bug right when we get there. But hey, it was hella good, and I thankfully did not get sick. Yeah, the food is really good there, Rich. Italy was really good food too. Really good. Very good food. And their drinks, they have a lot of spritz there. It was fun. I really want to go back. Maybe every 2 to 3 years, maybe. Depends on the payouts. This year we gotta get more payouts. That's what I did on 2024. Like I got like 1 or 2 payouts and it paid for the whole trip. And I planned it for the next year. And that's what we did with that payout money. Yeah, guys, 1 or 2 good payouts, decent pay. They weren't giant or anything. Could pay for like a good vacation, man, with your family. Oh, nice. Yeah, ceviche is like shrimp too. Yeah, I like ceviche. It cures the meat. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you, Bob. Yeah, beef tartare is really good. It was weird eating it because it's like, it's literally raw beef. But it tasted hella good. And it had like, they had like garlic bread with it. Oh man, it was fire. Damn, I'm trying to eat good right now. Shit. Food channel? Yeah, food channel's good. Gotta love food channels. Oh yeah. Man versus food. Man versus food. Dude, I think the new guy, his name's Casey. Yeah. Well, he's been around for a while, but yeah. The newer guy, because they had the older guy, but he had health issues, I think, from eating all the food. He was really cool. But yeah, they have a guy, Casey. Casey Webb. There you go, Casey. Good job, man. I'm Casey Webb with Man vs. Food. Oh yeah, Beard Meets Food. Yeah, he's hella cool too. Bro, he's freaking crazy with all the food. Him, Beard Meets Food, Matt Stoney, um, Eric the Electric, but he hasn't been posting in a while. He is also really good. He did a lot of good food challenges. What's up, Nate? What up? Glad to see you back. Rich, yeah. Casinator cooks, man. Casinator chef. Chef Casinator. Oh, man. Man versus food. Bro, I did a food challenge. I ate a 5-pound burrito in 35 minutes. Dude, I felt like crap after. Oh, man. I felt like I couldn't walk. I was like, on the whole car ride, I was really like this. Like, full stomach was upset. 5-pound burrito. If you guys know, San Jose, the iguanas, when they had iguanas, I think they closed down, unfortunately. But yeah, I ate the 5-pound burrito there in 35 minutes. I got a free t-shirt, and it's pretty sick. Then I did the 4-pound Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. I did that and I failed it, dude. That shit was fucking hard. I ate 4. It's basically like, imagine eating 4 giant like sourdough sandwiches full of meat this big. 4 of them. I ate 3. And then that bread killed me, bro. As soon as I got to the 4th one, I was like, dude, I'm literally about to yak right now. I'm like, I cannot eat this. So that one I unfortunately failed. Man, but that shit was hard. It's the damn bread. The meat's not the hard part, it's the bread. But yeah, I can't believe I ate the 5-pound burrito, though. Shit. Oh, man. Dude, those food challenges, they're hard, man. They're hard. There's a lot in San Jose. And a lot of them you get like a free meal and like a t-shirt. And some you get like a picture on the Wall of Fame. Oh yeah, that's sick. Dude, we gotta get our pictures on the Hall of Fame, guys. Like, I just ate a 5-pound burrito. Beast mode. Hey, we should do like an In-N-Out challenge. You gotta eat 4 4x4 In-N-Out burgers. Oh man. The amount of calories on that thing is insane. That'd easily be like 4,000 calories. Come on. Not including the drink and shit. Nah, you gotta get the Coke Zero. Coke Zero. Yeah, I gotta smack the Coke Zero. Hey, why they log me out? Yeah, iguanas. Yeah, it's gone, man. El Gorto. I haven't tried El Gorto. I gotta try it out. No, I know. That guy eats so much food. I don't even. It's crazy. There's another guy, too. He was really cool. He still posts videos. Food. Eric Sandell, I think, also. That big guy. Raina, the girl. The girl, Raina, or whatever her name. Yeah, Randy Santel. He's good. Beard Meets Food. Eric the Electric. The girl, Raina. This guy, Joel Hansen. Joel Hansen's also good. What's crazy is a lot of them are in pretty good shape, too. That's the crazy part. A lot of them are in good shape. Chipotle style. Oh, shit. I like Chipotle. Bro, every time I go to Chipotle, I'm one of those guys, I get a little more utensils of the forks and spoons. You know what I use those for, guys? I use it to feed the cats the wet food. Yeah. Free utensils, guys. Free utensils. I didn't say nothing. This is all alleged information. Innocent until proven guilty. Yeah. The napkins I could care less. The utensils, gotta feed the cats. Like, wait, when we're running out of spoons for the cats, I'm like, oh, we gotta get another Chipotle run. Yeah, Joel Hansen eats a freaking lot. Yeah, he's really cool too. I like his videos. Yeah, sometimes when I'm really hungry, I'll watch the food videos. Try and suppress my appetite. Beyond Limits, yeah. You gotta get the Tabasco sauce, yeah. They're like, I swear we're missing. We just put out a brand new Tapatio sauce, Tabasco. Cholula is also good. Yeah, I always get a handful of utensils. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, there's no sign that says take one or anything. I ain't hearing nothing. Cause I'm like, I don't want to use. I'm not using our utensils that we eat to get the cats wet food. I just do the plastic one so I can throw it away. Hell no. I ain't touching no cat food. there's like a security camera now at the utensil section. It's pointing directly right at the utensils. We got him. We freaking got him. Damn, we're just slowly grinding up. Still. Stab long, good luck, Beyond Limits. Yeah, I love Great Blanchard. Yeah, he's a really cool guy. Good videos. He fishes Lake Berryessa a lot, Bob. Yeah. Greg Blanchard, good guy. Trader Bob, you know Damien Tao? I love Damien too. Dude's fucking beast. Dude, he catches 10 pounders like nothing. And then when he catches like a 5-pounder, he's like, oh, little guy. I'm like, shit, I catch a 5-pound bass. I'm hella happy. That's a big fish. And he literally just looks at it and is like, oh, little guy. And throws it back like nothing. I'm like, bro. No problem, Bobbly. Yeah, I know. People sleeping on that deal. I think it's still active. $19 for a 25K rapid. That's a steal. Good luck with it, Bobby. Hope you get it funded and pay out, man. Bob, I know. Freaking wild. He also uses the Tyrant 10 and the Lunker Punker. And he fishes all on a kayak, too. Yeah, Damien Tao fucking beast, dude. Rich, yeah. I'm hitting the dash on the Honda Fit. I'm out. I got like 5 handfuls of spoons and forks. I'm out. Bob, yeah, 18 pounds he caught. It's like 18, dude. It's fucking crazy. I was actually watching that video again yesterday. I was like rewatching. I was like, damn. That's crazy. And right before he caught the 18, bro, he caught a 10-pounder like nothing. Oh, Bobby, that's... Guys, look at that. The 25K rapid account. It's not even my affiliate code. I don't get any credit for anything. I'm just being honest. That's a freaking steal. $19 for your first one, then $25. You can get 2 25K rapid accounts for what? $44? That's fucking cheap. Nanda, no, not right now. They don't have it. They usually do every now and again, but not right now. Right now they just have 50% off with code Casinator. Yeah, it was the mag draft, Bob, yeah. Yeah, the mag draft. I actually bought one after he got that freaking bass on it, and I started throwing it. I only threw it like once, and I fished it for like 2 hours, no bites. But we'll see it. I'm still believing in it. Bobby, did you use the same one to get $19? How'd you get the $19 one? Because others are getting only 25. Nanda, no activation fee. That's why it's people are sleepy on it. I don't know why. That's a good ass price. If it had $100 activation fee, then hell no, that's not a good price. But no activation fee, $25. Dude, that's crazy. That's hella cheap. He got the secret technique. Yeah, I'm watching his videos to see how he's fishing it. Yeah, use code SYNC. Thank you, Bobby. Yeah, that's a good deal. Good deal. Nice, Profit. Let's go. Good job, man. Hey, look, you bought it for what, $25 yesterday? Profit got it to halfway. Like I said, it's not even my affiliate code. I don't get any credit for it. I'm just being honest. That's a good ass price. Because minimum counts with no activation fee now are like minimum like what, 60, 70 for a 25K account? Minimum 80, 90. $20, $25. I mean, people are complaining, oh, you could only have one account. Oh, bro, who cares? It's one account. You can turn that $25 to potentially a couple $100 in payouts. It's a good ROI. I think it ends today, I think. I'm not sure when it ends. It's not my code, so I don't know. Max payout. Bob, it's the MyFundedFutures Rapid account, 25K. It's like very limited. You can only, I think it ends today. I'm not sure when it ends. And max payout. I don't think there's a max payout, but I know if you make 10 grand in a day, they automatically move you to live. But they also have the right to move you to live whenever, and people got moved to live earlier. So if they made like consistent good profits, then the risk team can move you to live. So there technically no payout cap, but there is at the same time. It really depends on the risk team and how you trade overall. Yeah, it sucks, Profit. But hey, you got one at the halfway right now. You can get it back this week, Profit. Quick clips. Go to chart settings. Chart settings. Wait, damn it. Go to chart settings. Price levels. Show P&L on price line. Yeah, you can get, if you make 10 grand in a day, they automatically move you to live. But yeah, it's up to the risk team to move you to live. But people got moved to, I think Rambo, like he made like 5 or 6 grand. He got moved to live on one account. It really depends on the risk team. Amen. It's trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdown in the funded account. That's the only thing. It's the same thing as TakeProfitTrader though. So it's end of day in the eval, I'm pretty sure. And then when you get to the trailing, I mean the funded, it's trailing drawdown until you hit the buffer. Profit, yes. I think scalping's the best. Yeah. And my code only gets you Casinator. It only gets you 50% off at the moment. Still good price, $50, $55. Still good price, honestly. But yeah, the code sync SYNC. You get it for like I think $19 or $25, something like that. That's hella cheap. Yeah, I gotta be careful for that trailing drawdown. But yeah, that's the reward for the daily payouts. Nanda SYNC. SYNC. That's a steal. We do have a new 5-minute in 1:30. Quick clips. I still think longs, really. I don't see any reason to short at the moment, to be honest. That's just what I'm thinking. I could be wrong. I'm just some guy on the internet. But I feel like longs are better right now. I still like longs. What's up, Eamon? What's the question? New 4 hour and 6 minutes. New 5 minute and 35 seconds. Hey, what's up, Jackie? Welcome back. Glad to see you back. How you doing? 30 seconds. I mean, it's a 25K account. For payouts, it's up to the risking whether to move you to live or not. It depends on how well you trade. So there is payout caps, but realistically, you just keep trading it, honestly. And then if you get the email to live, then you can still take daily payouts on the live account. So I wouldn't worry about it too much, to be honest. Just try to trade good and get some payouts, and that's it, yeah. It's up to the risk team. Nice, Jack. You're doing good. Doing good. Jasmine, what up? How you doing? Quick clips. Live account, you take it on the application settings area. ProfFirm account, you request the payouts from the ProfFirm website. Nice, Jasmine. Yeah, that's nice. I noticed that after some big winning days or big payouts, I do kind of get cocky and then try to push it and then blow accounts. So that's smart, Jasmine. Great discipline. Amen. Yeah, you could have 525 or 520 or 50K accounts. Yeah. The 100 or 150K accounts, you're only allowed to copy trade 3. But for the 25 or 50, you can have 5. Yeah, daily payouts. New hour, 4 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, and 2 minutes, 20 seconds, champions. T minus 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Sal, nice. Great job. Congratulations. Yeah, you can take a lot of good payouts on TakeProfitTrader. I noticed they'll move you to live more quickly on the rapid accounts with MyFundedFutures. I've noticed that.
Order filled.
Might be a little risky because of the 4 hour, but I kind of like this area. We're going to have a wider stop, champions. Yeah. Hey, they can't stop us out if they don't hit the stop loss. That's right, champions. Push up high of day. I usually like to wait for the hour, but kind of like this area for a long. Same thing as that last trade, our first trade. We're instantly in profit, which is good. But only like 5 points. Nice. Clench, if you make 10 grand in a day, like with one account, then they will most likely move you to live. But it's same thing. It really depends on how you trade overall and the risk team. Yeah, it really depends on the risk team to move you to live or not. All right, new hourly, 4 hour. Alec, I know. Because we keep getting freaking stop hunted. It's crazy. And I'm like, if I had wider stops, all my trades, most of them would have worked out. 20 points. Honestly, if I could just farm a winning day, I'd be happy. $100 profit. Yeah, this is a really wide stop loss for me. Over 15 points, nice. 20 points. Very interesting. Damn.
Order filled.
Just gonna get out there. Small, like 14-point trade. A lot of hesitation right here, and then we could just get a re-entry. Ooh, look at that wick down. Dude, good lockout. Now we're up 20 bucks on a day. Not bad. Better than a loss. But if we can make 80 bucks, I'd be happy. I don't want to force it. Because a winning day, yeah, this is a good farming winning day again. Because we need 5 winning days of $100 with these accounts. Yeah. Alex, yeah, that's $20 more, yeah. Yeah, that's true, Alex. Low of day inbound. We can maybe look for another trade, maybe, just to farm a winning day, because we only need like 15 points. We could have like, yeah, either a small loss or a small winning day. Low of day inbound. LOD. LOD. Defense. Defense. Play some defense, champions. Capital preservation. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. I just want $80 more. We're focusing on the P&L, which is really bad, champions. But hey, sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. $100 loss or $100 win? What's it gonna be? I don't know. I don't know. New 5-minute. 330. If. Big if. We are pushing higher. Damn. Yeah. Yes, it is coming down. Yeah. Yeah, Alex, yeah. We are just pushing higher. We're just slowly grinding up. Yeah. Slowly grinding up. Closing with the 9 EMA. Oh, yeah. Look at that trend. Yeah. Bullish continuation. Power hour. The trend is your friend. Yes, of course. Absolutely, yes. Very good intel, Casinator. Of course. Yes, the trend is most of the time your friend. That is correct. Bro, I'm just looking for a quick scalp, bro. But hey, sometimes you just don't gotta force it. The bull's getting tired. Dude, we just tapped the high. We just tapped it. Hey, the old Casinator, the old DJ Casinator would be like, oh, double top drop. Short right here, double top drop. Dude, Bob, dude, that would be freaking sick, bro. Dude, imagine you winning some bass tournaments, Bob. Get a 90K bass boat with some trading profits too. Bro, that's my thing. Take daily payouts. Going about my day, fishing Friday, 3D weekend. Yeah. It's like if you have a banger week, 4 days in a row, why not fishing Friday or some shit? Yeah. Nice, Bob. Dude, I really want a boat. I really want a boat, but I'm like, where the hell am I going to put a boat? Double top drop. Double top drop. Jacob Wheeler? That name sounds familiar. Isn't he like a tournament fisherman? I think he is. Yeah, Jacob Wheeler. Yeah, I don't know. If anything, if I had a boat, I'd probably like park it at the lake, like have my own spot for it, and then just like, yeah, every time I go there, it's already there. We just gotta tow it up there. Hey, you guys see me towing a 15-foot boat with the Honda Fit? Nah, the boat's gonna tow the Honda Fit, guys. Oh man, the Fit will tow a boat. Yeah. Oh man. Dude, I could totally see the Fit like going uphill with a bass boat on the back, and it's just like not even budging. It's just like, oh man. Yeah, the Delta can get a little nasty. Also with the clams or whatever, the golden mussels or some shit. Yeah. Just because you can does not mean you should. That is correct. Yes. We technically could do that, but is it the smartest decision? Probably not. It might end in disaster. Yes. Yeah. The Honda Fit. Yeah. Dude, I love that thing. Oh man. Dude, it's the bass boat's longer than the Honda Fit. Oh man, that'd be sketch towing that thing. Guys, it's almost 11, 11, 11. Make a wish. 5 seconds. Ooh. Yes, sir. You wish we flush. Yeah, it depends on the area of the Delta, really. I haven't been to the Delta in a while. But I used to go fishing there a lot. Because there's like a campsite resort I used to go to, like with my parents. And they had like a big dock. And there's like a lot of good fishing in there. And then also on the side of the road, you could walk along the bank and you could fish all of it. It was pretty sick. Yeah, never count the Honda out, guys. The Honda Fit always survives. Yeah. Honda Fit. Dude, I'm gonna have that car till the day I die. I don't care. I don't even care if it stops running. I'm gonna have it as a display of a piece of art. Yeah. All the times we had that car. Yeah. Hey, if we get some payouts, I won't tell anyone, but there will be signs. The Honda Fit's got some new premium duct tape on the side. Little Roomba robot on the inside cleaning the bottom. Yeah, maybe a partially fixed fender. Who knows? The Honda Fit might get pimped out, guys. Oh man. Hey, what up, Beyond Limits? Or no, M5. My bad. Called you Beyond Limits. What up, M5? What up, brother? $80. Oh yeah, black zip ties. Yep. Yeah, premium zip ties. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta pimp out the Fit. Yeah, I should make a video. We made a video rushing to the lake in my 2007 Honda Fit. That was a banger video. That was a banger video. Dude, we double top drop. We rejected out the high. No way. No way. MyFundedFutures Rabbit account, 25K account. M5. I think it might end today. Bob, yeah, the huckleberry worm. Yeah, I love that worm. Dude, I just ordered 5 more packs of it because of how much I use it. I buy all these freaking lures and stuff just to use the same drop shot and same color. Dude, I smack him on that, the huckleberry. Even in clear water. It's kind of weird. Let's go beyond limits, flush it down. Yeah, that's my confidence bait, yeah. I always have all these lures and I have them tied on and I throw them and then I'm like, I always go back to the purple drop shot. Dude, it's weird. I never suspect to catch bass, especially in clear water with a purple worm, because there's nothing in nature that they eat that's purple like that. They're probably like, oh my gosh, look at that juicy purple candy worm. Wow, that looks delicious. That's probably what they're thinking. I don't know what's going on inside the fish's brain. We just catch him. And 5, you gotta use code SYNC, SYNC. It might be $19 or $25. One of those two. Kitty cat. Oh yeah, be honest, that's the worst, yeah. You gotta pull out the pliers and shit, and you're just like, fuck. That's the worst, yeah. Oh, especially if you're catching bluegill. Honestly, with bluegill fishing, I just pinch off the barbs. I just close it with the pliers because if the bluegills will swallow the hook. So it's like if you have a barb on that, it's gonna be so hard to get out. Nice, Bob. Yeah, I've seen people use the urchin baits. Yeah, I haven't used it. I haven't caught on to the hype yet. I haven't used it yet, Bob. Is it good? You catch fish on it? $25 is crazy. That's hella cheap. Cash, yeah. $25 right now or something. They end soon, I think. Hella cheap. I just want a quick scalp. $100. Kitty cat, yeah. Bruh. Cash, I don't know when it ends. I think it ends today. So, if you were guys gonna buy it, I would buy it now. It's not my code, so I don't get any credit for it. I don't know. It's not my code, yeah. Yeah, $25. Hella cheap. That's the cheapest ever. Even when Lucid had 50% off, the flex count was $50. That was really cheap still. Right now, the code Casinator, it gets you 50% off. I think it's $55. That's still a good price. That's a still really good price for a 25K account, no activation fee. That's what I'm saying. $25. That's hella cheap. Nice, Bob. Yeah, I wonder what the bass are thinking because there's nothing like that in nature for them. A sea urchin bait. They're kind of expensive, so I was like, I don't know. But hey, Trader Bob, I just bought some of those. I'm late to the hype, really late. The freaking I'm going to look on Tackle Warehouse right now. Where is it? The Bellows Gill. The Bellows Gill. Bellows Gill. I just bought some. It's coming actually today, so I want to try it out. Yeah, Bellows Gill. We'll see how it goes. Dan, MyFundedFutures Rapid 25K account. Code SYNC is like $25. No activation fee. It's a daily payout account. It has trailing drawdown in the funded, but $25. I mean, $25.
Order filled.
All right, guys. We just need a small scalp. That's it. Like 15 points. Oh, that's actually not too bad, Bob. I thought it was more expensive. 6 or 8 urchins. Freaking urchins. Oh, man. Gotta love them sea urchins. Alright, new 5-minute. Guys, we just need $100. That's all I want. We're either gonna be down $100 or up $100. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Bob. That's why I saw like some of them just come in a pack of one. I was like, hell no, I'm not paying $10 for one of those. But $13 for 6 is not bad. 8. Bob, you shop on Tackle Warehouse, bro? Hey, if you guys are into bass fishing, TackleWarehouse.com. I ain't sponsored or nothing by them. I love them. Best company in the world for bass fishing. Good prices, fast shipping. Easy returns. Super chill. Bass Pro Shops, I really like the store because it's like an experience kind of when you go in there. But Bass Pro Shops is so freaking expensive. So expensive at Bass Pro Shops. Oh man. They're taxing the living shit out of you there. Like a normal nice jacket, I was like, oh, that's a nice jacket. $200. What the hell? $200? The lures are more expensive. And when they're doing Christmas time, one little bass ornament was like $15 or $20 for one little ornament. $20 is crazy for a little Christmas ornament. Orlando, yeah, man, you should go fishing. It's great. I'm trying to go more, but yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to go more. It's fun. It's fun, yeah. Hey, a bad day at the lake is better than a good day at work. Unless you're getting a lot of payouts. Shit, then I take the payouts. But hey, most of the time, bad day at the lake is better than a good day at work. Push up, push up. Really, Bob? 16 for $5, good deal. Everything there's pretty expensive though. Orlando, absolutely, yeah. Really, honestly, like hobbies, that's why I tell you guys to like go outside, do fitness, work out, do anything, go on walks, get a hobby again. It's really important to have stuff outside of trading. It makes it a lot less stressful. Go, 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 go. Yeah, Bob. Yeah, because when I was there, I was also looking at some bass boats. Dude, they're freaking sick. They're like over 50 grand. Hey, I was thinking like, hey, one good Apex payout would buy a whole ass bass boat brand new. I was like kind of thinking like that. I was like, dude, one good payout with an Apex, 50 racks. That's you can buy yourself a brand new bass boat. Towed up with the Honda Fit. Oh man.
Order filled.
Fuck me. I got out exit. You know what? We're gonna enter 4 micros. 10 points. Yeah, that's the mindset. I accidentally clicked the button. One payout can cover a whole ass bass boat. Dude, you could buy a whole car with that. Brand new car. Brand new, like, Ford Durango. One Apex payout. $60, guys. $60. Actually, no, we can go back to 15. Never mind. 3 micros. That's only 10 points. We just need a 10-point trade, bro. 10 points. Dude, I haven't streamed this long in a while. Like, I usually cut it, like, I've been cutting it early, unfortunately. I don't know why. Well, we've been finishing the day early, that's why. But hey, I can't stream next week for you guys, but that's why I'm gonna give you guys some more time. Screen time. 10 points, champions. 10 points. That's all we need. 10 points. Because if we get a winning day today, we just need 3 more winning days and a profit balance, and then we can request a payout.
Order filled.
NQ, please don't do me dirty. Bro, it's just moving, like, so slow. I think that's it. I don't know. Like, this is 3 micros. This is very painful, Bob, yeah. It's literally like watching paint dry. It's not moving that fast right now. We see the bigger moves like earlier in the day. This is to be expected this week, to be honest. I'm like, bro, 10 points. We just need 10 points. That's literally it. Beyond tomorrow, yeah. Long term though, take profit trader is better because you could trade with them longer and you can take smaller payouts. So it's really good if you take like smaller like payouts, and also you can get bigger payouts with take profit trader. But they're both great accounts. Low of day inbound. No. Fade the chat. Fade the chat. Gotta fade you guys. Bro, I just need 10 points. 10 points is nothing on NQ. Damn. Damn. We're getting smoked. Go up. Go up. Go up. Fade the chat. Fade the chat. Nah, guys, we're in this to win this. We're in this together. Beyond Limits, you're my op right now. You're my op. Usually it's Jamal that's my op. Oh, me and Jamal got a lot of beef. Yeah. We're always fading each other. All love, all love. Push higher. I'm calling Nancy Pelosi. We need some good news. Tweet something. Yes, Nancy. Go, go, go. The one and only Michael Patak. We have a new 30-minute in 20 seconds. Bullish. Go, go. Damn. What are these trades? The movement is so slow. Dude, this is giving me a headache. We need Trump to tweet something. Ooh. Wow. It's literally kissing our stop loss. My goodness gracious, hot diggity dog.
Stop filled.
We finally got stopped out. Wow. Holy moly. We were in that trade for a minute. No, I'm calling after that. I was trying to just farm a winning day. Hey, it's not meant to be. We're only down 64 bucks. That's only 10 points. That's nothing. Yeah, that's nothing. It's just moving so slow right now. And yeah, so yeah, little later stream for you guys. So nice to hang out and talk to you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. And we'll finish the week strong. Hopefully we can do some good progress on these. I mean, we're just break even now. Nothing crazy. We're officially break even. 1 winning day, 2 losing days. All good. Small losses though. Small losses. Yeah. Yeah, it's $1,000 drawdown on these accounts. All right, peace out, everyone. God bless. End of day, M5. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. M5, it's end of day on the challenge and then intraday on the challenge. I mean, on the funded. Vehicle, yeah. Most of the time, no news days are choppy. That's what I was kind of expecting this week because there's literally no news this week. All right, everyone. God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Have a great day. And peace out, everyone. God bless.